Shubho Navabarsho everyone, how are you doing? Do you want some? So today is Navabarsho. Shubho Navabarsho to everyone. It is Bengali New Year and it is celebrated like throughout India. It's New Year, I guess, because in Maharashtra it was Gudi Padwa, in Punjab it was Baisakhi, in Assam it's Bihu, in Odisha it's also New Year. So people throughout India are celebrating the New Year. Without further delay, let's get started with the video.
অচল থাকবে সদা দেবাবে বাবুড়ি এত শুনে মনি বার বলে মিষ্টমনে কি হলে বসন্ন দেবী হবে নরগণে ওগোদয় তুমি না কইলে দয়া পারে কে নরিতে থাকো তোমার নর তব বোধ ছায়া সৃষ্টি শ্রী প্রলয়ে তুমি অধিকারী জগৎ প্রসূত তুমি জগৎ.
So as you saw, my mom is doing the puja right now and I am out here in the garden eating a watermelon. Such a jobless person I am, but yeah, this is a new dress that I'm wearing right now. In New Year we all wear new clothes and new stuff, we get gifts and everything. So this dress was from my Masi, so thank you Masi for this gift. I love this dress so much. And what else? Today we are going to eat some delicious lunch and the weather is very amazing today. I don't know what to say because oh yeah, right, I have a New Year resolution as well. So people usually make resolutions on English New Year, I guess, but I have made a Bengali New Year resolution, if it's even a thing. So I got since I'm a practicing architect, I should be able to sketch well, if not very amazing way, but I should be able to sketch. So but I'm very terrible at sketches, you will see in the screen. So I ordered myself some stationery for getting myself started with the sketching practice and everything, and I'll show you that. Hi, so I'm in my room right now and I'm gonna show you what I bought from Amazon to deal with my New Year resolution as such. If there is any Bengali New Year resolution, if anyone has done that, I don't know, but anyway, it's New Year, so I'm celebrating. So this is the sketchbook that I brought. It's from Bustro Artist Sketchbook. It has really good quality pages, as you can see. I'll show you. Wait, these are the pages. Super soft and it looks amazing. I cannot wait to sketch in this sketchbook. I don't know how well I can sketch. I sketch shit. I sketch like shit. But yeah, practice makes a man and also a woman perfect. So yeah, I will practice. I'll start sketching and making myself better, developing another skill of mine. The next thing that I bought for myself, it's like ye tohfa maine khud ko diya hai kind of a thing. So this is the alcohol markers. Like there's so many colors in it. I think there are 36 colors in it. 36 colors, yeah, there are 36 colors in it, and they are all alcohol based dual tip markers. Let me show. It comes in a cute box. You can store all of them together, and these are the colors. Any architectural student or architect must have these markers because they're really useful. Even if I sketch like shit, these colors may make the sketch look better. I don't know. I will have to experiment and like see what happens. So this is one of the markers, and there is a flat tip at one end and a pointy tip at another end. So it's a dual tip and it's gonna last for a long time. Even my children, grandchildren might use it because I'm not a great artist. So anyway, so this is the flat tip. I wonder what's wrong with the focus. This is the flat tip. You get the gist, right? And this one is the pointy tip. So there are two tips to it, and I love the colors so far. And that's my New Year gift to myself. Trying out my new markers, and as I mentioned before, I am not a very pro in this coloring and sketching things, but I tried, and the colors are really nice. They have this amazing texture to it, and it's really easy to sketch with them. I'll make some more sketches later on, but that was just the trial for now. And it's evening, as you can see, so the entire afternoon I was just sketching and just doing random shit. Now I'll get ready because mom and my dad and everyone else is going to the mandir in the evening just to do some prayers and to pray for a nice year, for a good and happy year ahead. So I'm going inside now. I'll have some tea and then we'll go to the mandir. I'll get ready, and I have one more new dress. So I'll wear that because it's New Year, so new dresses, and I'll get ready and we'll go to the mandir. So let's go. So this is the dress, parrot green. I love the way the fabric falls, the pattern, the color, the neck, everything. I'm ready. So I'm all ready to go to the mandir and give a visit to the gods and pray for a very good year ahead. So let's go. Mask niye chama? Shubha Navabarsha ma. So we are at the mandir now. It is just behind me. Since I am a Bengali living outside of Bengal, this mandir is specially for the Bengali people. So yeah, it's a special place, and we are done with all the puja and everything. Now we are headed home. That was my vlog, everyone. I hope everyone will have a wonderful year ahead, and I'm ending the vlog here. And take care, stay safe, stay indoors, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.